wife asked me once, what do you need 2 boat trailers for? Well, we were walking in the backyard. She found my second boat trailer. Here's why. That's right. Them 2 little sticks is what got us home, and a bunch of ratchet straps. We snapped her in half. Check out the new one. Well, there you have it. I got to do a bolt through these yet for this cross front support I built, and then these 2 boards right here and here are just sitting there. They're tied on at the back right now. There, I got to pull the boat on to adjust the height of these 2 to make sure the nose isn't hitting there, but I want it resting there. So it's time to sucker on.